In my house, we bought this house 4 years ago for $1.7 million. Right now, it's worth about $3 million. 10 years ago, I was always wondering, how do people buy houses like this? And the way that you do it is three ways. You got to borrow something, you got to build something, you have to buy something. Okay, let's talk about borrow something. First thing that you want to do is you want to use other people's money, and you want to borrow their money so that you can get into your first home. As you get into that first home, you can build up equity, and you can use that first home to get into your second home. So you want to use other people's money, whether that's a lender, whether that's a bank, whether that's private equity. And then you want to build something. Well, what do we build? You want to build a business, or you want to build a brand? What's up, Cruzy? So talk about building a business. You can build a business from a lot of different ways. You can have a brick and mortar business, to where you build a business down the street, you have a coffee shop and you scale that. You could build a network marketing business. You could build a business to where you're franchising. So there's many different businesses that you can build, but basically you want to build a business that you can scale, to where that business eventually gets to a place to where it runs and operates without a ton of your time. And then you want to talk about, you want to buy something. You want to start buying things that appreciate, and you want to start buying appreciating assets. What are those? Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, things that are going to go up in value, buildings, commercial spaces, businesses. Businesses are things that we buy now, and we grow those businesses so that eventually we could sell those businesses. So just those three things. You want to borrow something, you want to build something, you want to buy something. I hope that brought you value.